Very good morning, children. Today we are here to discuss Unit 7 Atoms, Molecules and Chemical Reactions of 9th class. Within this session, we are going to discuss about a topic called as atomicity. What does it mean? Atomicity means what? It can be defined as total number of atoms within a molecule. If I am taking it up, total number of atoms that are composed in a single molecule. To form a single molecule, some number of atoms are combining together. Total number of atoms combining together to form a single molecule. That is called as nothing but what? Atomicity. It represents what? Number of atoms present in a molecule. Number of atoms. How many number of atoms are existing within a molecule? It is called as nothing but what? Atomicity. This atomicity based upon the atomicity of molecules, they can be classified into 4 types. How many types, children? 4 types. First one is monoatomic molecules. Second one is diatomic molecules. Third one is triatomic molecules. As well as more than 3 if it is existing, we can call it as nothing but what? Polyatomic molecules, we can call it up. Now coming to first one, that is what? Monoatomic molecules. What are called as monoatomic molecules? Atoms which are exist, whose atomicity is 1. Whose atomicity is 1, we can call them as monoatomic molecules. Example, sodium, an element, it is a monoatomic molecule. Potassium is also a monoatomic molecule. Not only that one, if I go for inert gases elements such as helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, we can call them as nothing but what? Monoatomic molecules, as they had by itself a single structure. See here, monoatomic molecule, single existing molecule, single atom existing. Single molecule we can call it up, therefore it is called as monoatomic molecules, having atomicity as what? 1. Next one is what? Coming to diatomic molecules. What are called as diatomic molecules? The molecules whose atomicity is 2. Whose atomicity is 2, we can call them as nothing but what? Diatomic molecules. Examples are, I have taken here some examples such as hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, so on, etc. I have taken 3 examples. From these 3 examples, I have given 2 examples. 2 molecule structure I have given there. Diatomic, 2 molecules existing. See here, to form an oxygen molecule here. 1O, oxygen atom. Double bond is existing, therefore it will form oxygen molecule there. Between 2 atoms the bond is existing. What bond it is here? Double bond. What is double bond? In higher classes you will come to know. The structure of oxygen molecule is having a double bond consisting of one atom and another atom bond existing. Therefore its atomicity is 2. Similarly, coming to what? Hydrogen molecule. One hydrogen atom have taken another hydrogen atom by means of single covalent bond. What happens there? The bond is existing between these two molecules. Therefore, this atom is called, this molecule is called as having two atoms combining together. Therefore, the atomicity is equal to 2. Some more examples are nitrogen, etc. So on, you can give it up there. That is an example for that one. Next one is what? Coming to triatomic molecules. Triatomic molecules, best examples I can give it as what? Ozone layer, ozone as well as carbon dioxide I can give it up. A best example for triatomic molecules, a bond existing in the form of 3 whose atomicity is 3. Whose atomicity is 3, we can call them as nothing but what? Triatomic molecules. Example, if I am going for example here, see here, structure of ozone, how it is existing here, how many oxygen atoms are existing, 1 oxygen atom, 2 oxygen atom, 3 oxygen atom. Here it is having single bond, here it is having double bond. I said that about single bond and double bond in higher classes will come to know, but it is having 3 molecules, therefore it is called as triatomic molecule. Similarly, if I go for another, what is what? Carbon dioxide. Carbon, if it is existing here, oxygen toward this side, oxygen toward this side. Oxygen is one molecule, another oxygen is also another molecule, and next one is what? Carbon is also a molecule. In between these two things, double bond is existing. Therefore, it is also triatomic molecule whose atomicity is 3. Coming to what? Polyatomic molecules. What are called as polyatomic molecules? More than 4, or if it is existing, we can call, whose atomicity is more than 4, we can call them as nothing but what? Polyatomic molecules, we can give it up. What we can give it up? Polyatomic molecules, we can give it up. Example, phosphorus, it is having 4 molecules combining together, therefore 4 means what? More than 3. 4 it is existing, therefore polyatomic. Sulfur trioxide, sulfur is 1 atom and 3 atoms of oxygen. 3 plus 1, 4. It is also tetraatomic, atomicity is 4. Coming to sulfur, it is having what? 8 sulfurs are there, therefore it is called as, whose atomicity is equal to what? 8. Octaatomic, we can call it up. These two are called as tetraatomic. If I go for one more example, that is what? CH4. What for? CH4. Hydrogens are 4 atoms of hydrogen plus 1, 5. Therefore, it is called as pentaatomic molecule having atomicity is equal to 5. Having atomicity is equal to 5. Therefore, in this particular way, 4 atomicity is 4, here atomicity is 8, here atomicity is what? 5. More than 4 if it is existing, we can call them as polyatomic atomic molecules whose atomicity will be greater than 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. So I am giving an example for polyatomic is what? Sulfur trioxide. This is sulfur, oxygen, 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 double bond, double bond, double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, sulfur trioxide whose atomicity is what? 4. We can give it up here. Individually, sulfur if I have taken there, sulfur is nothing but what? Octaatomic nature whose atomicity is 8. How many atoms will be there? 8 atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is existing in the shape of what shape? A boat shape. It is existing there itself. Coming to one more molecule I have taken as methane, carbon and hydrogen together. If I take carbon, carbon is existing in the middle, hydrogen, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore it is called as pentaatomic element whose atomicity is 5. In that particular way, the atomicity of element can be existing depending upon the type, monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic, as well as polyatomic. About that one, table 5 he has given in textbook. Try to analyze that particular table so that easily you can gain the concept of atomicity. Now next point is what? How to determine this particular atomicity. It is not given in our textbook, but how to determine the atomicity, if you know it, easily you can analyze, easily you can calculate the atomicity of an individual element. How we can determine? It is nothing but what? Depending upon two things. One is molecular mass, other one is atomic mass. Coming to molecular mass means what? The number of molecules existing, the number of atoms combining into atomic mass will give us molecular mass. Therefore, determination of atomicity is nothing but what? Ratio of molecular mass to that of atomic mass, we can give it up. Or a molecular mass by atomic mass. How we are calculating molecular mass? How many number of, whether it is monoatomic, triatomic, diatomic, polyatomic, we ought to know that particular one. And multiply that particular atomicity, that particular number with the atomic mass, easily we can get atomicity of an element. Now I am taking an example. Calculate atomicity of oxygen. Oxygen atomic mass is equal to how much? 16. But molecular mass, how we can calculate? How many atoms are there? 2 into 16, that is equal to how much? 32 is the molecular mass. Therefore, atomicity is equal to what? Molecular mass by atomic mass. Therefore, 32 by 16, 16 1 are 16 2s are. Therefore, atomicity of oxygen is 2. In that particular way, we can calculate it up. Similarly, if I go on to calculate a sulfur molecule, calculate atomicity of sulfur. If I go for atomic mass of sulfur is 32.5. And if I go for molecular weight, the molecular mass, if I am calculating here, molecular mass is equal to 32.5 into 8. How many number of atoms are existing here? 8 more atoms are existing having shape of port. Multiply 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 8 3s are 24, 25, 26, 362.0 it will be there. Therefore, atomicity is equal to nothing but what is 262.0 by 32.5. If you calculate it up, we'll get what? We'll get 8. 8 is nothing but what? Atomicity of an individual element called as sulfur. In this particular way, we can calculate atomicity of an element. That is the concept what we have to keep in our mind. Next one is what? Within the textbook, 3 questions he has given there itself. Now let me try to give answer for 3 types of questions. First one is, why do some elements have different atomicity? Why do some elements have different atomicity? Why they will be having different atomicity? Means depending upon isotopes. Each and every element is having its isotopes. Some elements are having isotopes. Isotope means what? For example, if I am taking X is an element whose atomic number will be remain same, mass number will be vary. Example, if I take it up hydrogen, atomic number is 1, mass number is 1. Deuterium, atomic number is 1, mass number is 2. If I go for titanium, atomic number is 1 and mass number is 3. If I go for an example of this particular one, what? Hydrogen mass, atomic number is 1, atomic number is, mass number is 1, mass number is 2, mass number is 3. Therefore, what happens there? Atomic mass is gradually varying. Atomic mass is gradually varying. Due to that reason, atomicity also will be gradually varies for different elements. Why? Why means what? Here why it is increasing? The number of neutrons existing in an atom is gradually increasing. Therefore, number of neutrons in an atom as it is gradually increases, atomicity of an element also will be get very continuous. That is the first question answer we can give it up. Second question, what he has given there? Why do some elements are monoatomic? As the elements are monoatomic, individual single state, what does it indicate? Stability it indicates. Therefore, in elements there are existing some stable elements. To identify that particular one, stability it gives, there is a single atom gives what? Stability of one atom. Therefore, easily we can identify that particular one. That is, for that particular reason, some elements will be existing in the form of monoatomic. Next question is what? Why do some elements are diatomic as well as triatomic? Why the elements are triatomic and triatomic? To make it clear for us what whether it is an element or a molecule, or whether to differentiate whether it is an element, molecule or atom. Easily we can identify. For that particular purpose we use, that is the reason why do some elements will be of diatomic, triatomic as well as polyatomic, so that we can differentiate an element, molecule as well as a number of atoms existing within an atom. By this we have completed our topic called as atomicity, children. Try to analyze this particular atomicity concept and gain knowledge. Thank you for watching, children.